We saw what happened. The Vice President of Nigeria, he said to United Nations that he wants other Palestinians like that. He wants them to have freedom. But I want to ask you, since Biafra are seeking for their freedom, what have you said? Rather, you are against Biafra. You are against the group of people that don't want Biafra to have their freedom. But you go to white man country, you are talking about the white man. You want the Palestinians to have their freedom. Yes, you want them to have freedom. But here in Nigeria, they are slaughtering people in Igbo land because they say that they need Biafra. Your own black people in Nigeria, you people are slaughtering them because they say they need Biafra. Anybody that speak about Biafra in Igbo land, they will condemn that person. They will destroy that person. They will destroy his family. Why? Because that person said that he's in support of Biafra. But you go to white man country, United Nations, say that you want the Palestinians to have their freedom. But your fellow black people are suffering, are crying in this country called Nigeria. The evil that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed is that he said that I need Biafra. That is the only evil he committed. And you people are condemning him because he said that he needs Biafra, because he said that he wants Igbos to have freedom in this country called Nigeria. May God Almighty judge all the Nigerian politicians that are condemning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.